Today, we'll talk about spending time in nature.
What do you mean by nature?
Nature means places like forests, mountains, parks, and the sea,
Why is spending time in nature important?
because nature helps your mind become calm and clear.
How does it help with stress?
Walking in nature reduces stress and relaxes your body.
Does fresh air really make a difference?
Yes, fresh air is good for your body and your brain.
What about sounds, like birds or wind?
Natural sounds help you feel relaxed and peaceful.
Can nature help when life feels busy?
Absolutely. Nature helps you slow down and reset your mind.
Do I need a lot of time for that?
No, even a short walk outside can change your day.
How does nature affect mood?
Looking at trees, the sky, and open spaces improves your mood.
Does spending time outside give energy?
Yes, nature gives you energy and mental balance.
What can nature teach us?
Nature teaches patience, balance, and being present.
So it helps us enjoy the moment?
Exactly. Nature reminds us to breathe and enjoy the moment. Now it's your turn. Follow the channel for more daily speaking practice. Comment one word from today that you want to master. Your English grows one word, one step at a time.